Hello all. Today I'll be doing a review on the new speaker box from Sound King, that is from Doogesound. It's a power speaker box with 10-inch woofer, 220 watts at 4 ohms. So I bought one pair of speaker box. You can see this is the speaker box. I'm quickly telling you the specification. This is the speaker box dimensions. So it's got a woofer. It's got a 10-inch woofer. I'm getting a scale here. It's got a 10-inch woofer, and it's got a mid-range here, 5.5 inch, or and it's got a very good tweeter, 4 inch, 4-inch tweeter, and it's got a bass port, nice bass port. So let us discuss. So this is the Sound King box. It's made up of good high quality material. You see, this is it's almost here it's around 12 mm, and if you check at the back, you can see the actual width. It's made up of 18 mm. The width of the box is 18 mm. It also comes with a speaker socket like this. So you can see I'm zooming it. It's an 18 mm thickness speaker box. Let us check the size of the speaker box. As per the measurement, it is 57 centimeter. It's 57 centimeter. It's 57 centimeter, and it's mentioned in the website also, like it is 15 centimeter height. And let us check the width. Yeah, width is around 32 centimeter width of the speaker box, 32 centimeter. And the depth is around 27 centimeter, and it's mentioned in the website it is 27 centimeter. I'll run you through the components used, why it is such a good quality. Uses these kind of screws, uses the speakers socket like this, and it uses the bass port pipe, and this is the dome tweeter used. This is a silk dome tweeter, 4-inch, 8 ohms. You can see that, and you can also see there are other products. Like if you go to the speaker section, speaker boxes, they have other speakers. The one I am using right now is this one, and this is the crossover network. The crossover network is what they are using here. The crossover, and you see the PCB quality, what is used, and to check their speakers, what they've used in this model. So these are the different sizes: 4-inch, 6-inch, 6.5-inch, and this is the 10-inch 4 ohms, 10-inch 4 ohms speaker. And this one also they have. This is for a pair. And this is about the dome tweeters. They have a very good range of silk dome tweeters. You can see the 4 ohms, 4-inch at 8 ohms, 40 watts silk tweeter. You can see the products. This is for 1 piece, and this is for 2 piece. And you can see the crossover network they have used in this particular model. It's a very good quality, very good components, very high quality components used. So you can buy this product directly from their website. If you click on this link, you can buy this product. This speaker box is made up of MDF material. It's made up of MDF material. It's MDF and the PVC, the pipes used here, and the finishing is very good. I hope you enjoyed this video of reviewing this speaker Doogesound SoundGig SK10E power speaker with 10-inch 220 watts speaker setup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This also has a mid-range. The packing and delivery response and the service customer support is very good, and their courier service, everything is very good. I give 5-star for their from order processing to delivery. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for interesting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.